How's it going, guys? I'm out here today just outside of Cleveland at a spot called Hillandale Park. And this place is pretty interesting. So there's an old abandoned bridge just out here in the middle of the woods, and pretty much it was built in the 1920s. There's a whole suburb that was planned to be built down here, and plans fell through when the Great Depression hit. So only a few buildings back here and the bridge itself were completed, and there's some other ruins around. I think a couple houses did get completed, but in the 1930s the whole project just got scrapped. But this area is very interesting. The locals know it as the bridge to nowhere, and it's been sitting here for 100 years, and the bridge is still standing, and you can walk across it. And there's some other things down in this big ravine. There's a couple footpaths, a few other ruins, and you could tell they're starting to put a plumbing system in. There's apparently clay pipes from what would have been the plumbing system, what would have been manholes, all sorts of things down here, and the whole project just got scrapped and left. And that's why we're out here today. So anyway, enough of this, let's go check it out. Finally got here to the Hillandale Bridge. It's been here since 1920s, and pretty much it's just sat this whole time. You can tell some of the railings and things are coming apart here. It's beautiful back here. You can see holes in the ground. Stay to my right. Yeah, I gotta watch your step on this one. So there's actually some remnants about a quarter mile past the bridge. Pieces of brick. I guess there's only a few houses completed, and the planned subdivision down here. There's some bricks and foundations and things scattered throughout the woods. I did hear that there used to be a mansion back here. A couple foundations. I wonder if there's any years cutting these stones. Further along down the trail, there's actually another bridge down this way. Some more ruins in the woods. See the remnants of clay pipes they're trying to put in back here. Crazy thing is, they had all these major plans to build a suburb back here, Then the Great Depression hit. It was never completed. More bricks laying around. Here we have it. It's amazing how nature's just started to take back over. More old clay piping. So here's the main bridge. It's actually pretty tall. It's like 30 feet tall down here. Some other ruins down here in the ravine. I'm really impressed this thing is even still standing. It's been sitting around since the 1920s. Wow. Let's try and get inside there. Well, I should have brought my flashlight, but wow. So this is definitely the local hangout. Definitely some parties that could go on down here. Guess there used to be a second level. Let's see if we can get up. No more floorboard. Wow. This is amazing. Just happened to be in the area. This place is 20 minutes from my hotel. Got ourselves a little tiny footbridge down here. From what I've read, they wanted to build the whole subdivision down here in and around this ravine. Looks like they had plans for some sort of sewage system going on. Yeah. Here's what would have been part of the sewage / drainage system. There's parts of the railing that didn't make it.